Hey guys, I think I found a better way to install a pull strap or a tugger strap, whatever you want to call it, for the front of your Enduro. The directions have like this crazy scheme where you strap it to the fork legs, and then you kind of have like this zip tie configuration to hold the straps from sagging down the fork legs. This is actually it here. And so I'm trying to put this together by the instructions, and it's just nothing I could live with. So without much tinkering around, if you look, instead of going around the fork leg under this bracket here, I just went around the bracket, as you can see. The finished strap ends up being pulled toward the rear. The piece of metal for the strap ends up tucked back in here. This is a 2020 FE 350. And when it's all done, you don't really see any of the metal brackets from the side. You don't have any of this crazy zip tie rig from the back. It's still a pretty clean look. You can even grab your straps and cinch them up a little bit if you want. And when you pull, there's no interference with the fenders or the lights or anything like that. So that's it. Nothing much to it. Just I came across this idea. I thought you'd like it.